Y'all been waiting for this right here. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Immortal Soul 111. I'm back with another video. Listen, this is a highly requested video. Like, I had made a poll on Instagram. For those who don't know my Instagram, man, go follow me on Instagram, man. I made a poll on Instagram saying, like, what video do y'all want me to make next? Do y'all want to see, a video for how to make money without a 9 to 5 job? Right? Because right now, we are in the need of money. We gonna need money right now, bro, because shit finna hit the fan. Biden's in the office. You know, in order to even work, bro, I'm letting you know that right now. If you have a 9 to 5 job, in order for you to work, you will need to take them vaccines. And we already know about them vaccines. Ain't no telling what's in them motherfuckers. So I'm finna give y'all some ways y'all can, you know, start right now. Get the number one way you can make money, right? You can make about $500. That, really depending on how good you is. The number one way is reselling shoes. Reselling shoes, bro. It don't have to be the newest shoes. It don't have to be the newest Jordans, the newest Yeezys, the Balenciagas. It don't have Fendi. It don't have to be none of that, bro. It don't. You can go to thrift stores. Thrift stores, man. I'm telling you, I be going to thrift store. I be finding some finds, man, and then I resell it online. You can go to Ross, Burlington, Nike outlets, Adidas outlets, any type of outlets. I know where I stay. We got Gurney Mills and shit. We got a Gurney Mills outlet, so probably like 30 minutes away from the city and shit. Outside Chicago. But take your bro. Go to outlets, bro. You ain't too good. Go to Goodwill, bro, and look, bro. Look. You can not only sell shoes, you can find clothes, bro, different shit, bro. You can resell online on eBay. But with shoes, you can make a more profit. You can have a higher margin. So say if you buy some shoes, you buy some Adidas or some shit for like $60, $70, right? But you look online, they reselling for like 150, 120. You can buy that shoe, bro. I don't know if y'all be thinking about, but listen, you can buy that shoe, resell it, right, online, and still make like $40, $50, bro, profit. That's easy, bro. You can keep doing that, keep doing that. Eventually, your money gonna stack up, stack up, stack up, and then each time you sell a shoe or sell a used item on eBay or Amazon or whatever you trying to sell, bro. The sky's the limit. It's all up to you. You can keep stacking your profit and then buy other shit. Buy it's more expensive shoes and then just keep reselling it, bro. It's easy, bro. I do this shit all the time, bro. I done made like $600 on the side, bro. That's extra income, bro. I can use that to do whatever. Start my business, start whatever, right? So that's the number one way, you can do to make money without a 9 to 5 job. That's easy, boom, right? So we on to the second one. The second one I got down. Oh yeah, start a YouTube channel. Y'all like, man, Keith, ain't nobody finna do all that, man. I'm gonna need a camera, a microphone, I'm gonna need this, a green screen. No, listen, bro, my nigga, you don't need all that, bro. You don't even have to get on the mud. You don't have to show your face on your YouTube channel. You can literally post beats, bro. Post music that people will listen to. Stack your views up. Stack your audience up. That's all, bro. You can do that and then make money, bro. Make money. And then not only that, bro, you don't even have to do that. Listen, another way you can make money off YouTube is, bro, all you gotta do is, y'all remember Vine, right? Vines, like funny videos or whatever, my nigga, I don't know. You can put a whole compilation of that shit, bro, and make a second channel or make hella channels of different videos, like different content, different niches. You can do that, bro. You can make as many channels as you want, but it's all about you. It's all about your mindset, bro. How bad do you want this shit? That shit is easy, bro. I just don't do it because I don't be having the time. But if you have the time, bro, you can always start a YouTube channel, a gaming channel. You can do whatever you want. YouTube pays money, bro. But moving on. The third reason you can make money without a 9 to 5 job. Bro, in this way, I'm really gonna be talking to the females, bro. Really, listen. If you are a fucking girl, a female, if you know how to do hair, you know how to do nails, you know how to do anything that females are willing to pay money for, makeup, anything, bro. Females, listen. I'm talking to all my girls who are watching this video. You can sell that shit, bro. Make a nail company, whatever. Whatever the fuck y'all females be doing. Sell clothes. Make women's clothes. Women, bro. One thing I know about females, they love to look presentable. They love to look nice. They are willing to pay. So if you a female out there that's looking to make money without a 9 to 5 job, do that. Boom. That's easy. That's easy. Y'all females got it good. I'm saying. So moving on, you know, now that I got that out the way, I want to say another reason why some of y'all don't be having no money, bro, and I'm just being completely honest, is because y'all have this false concept. Y'all have this concept in y'all head and this illusion, bro, that's keeping y'all broke, that y'all have to look rich in order to be accepted by other people. Y'all buy the newest clothes, the newest things each time that shit drop. That's what draining y'all pockets. It's draining y'all funds. Y'all just too busy trying to look good for the next motherfucker, like taking pictures on Instagram, always buying the newest shit, always buying the newest gear, the newest phones and shit, bro. This how these motherfuckers be keeping y'all trapped. Y'all know how to save y'all money, but y'all know how to just say, nah, I'm going to just stack my money up. You know, I can't spend right now. Y'all don't know how to just do that, bro. Because y'all feel like y'all missing out if y'all had the newest shit. Tell me I'm lying. I ain't lying. I speak nothing but facts. But yeah, that's one thing I just wanted to cover, man, because I see a lot of y'all just be wasting y'all money, man. You know, hey, y'all got to start being mature about this shit, man. You can't live your life for other people for the rest of your life, man. You will always be a prisoner. You will always be broke. Billionaires don't fucking wear Gucci, Louis, Fendi. They don't buy Birkin bags for they women, man. They don't do that shit. These motherfuckers wear Hillies, nigga, Skechers. Shop in Walmart. Shop in Dollar Tree. Y'all need to start thinking like them, bro. Look broke, but be rich. That is the mindset that you need, bro. I need y'all to understand that, what I just said. Understand what I just said. Matter of fact, Forex trading, bro. Forex trading. Now, y'all probably hear this shit a lot. Y'all probably the first thing y'all think of is TJ X6 or Bandman Kevo, or I don't know whatever dude name is, but you know, scamming and shit. No, that's not what it is, bro. Bro, Forex trading, all you doing, I want y'all after this video to go look and do y'all research on this shit and really get into Forex trading. Listen, motherfuckers are making millions, hundreds of thousands of dollars just by looking at charts, playing with charts. Knowing what chart, knowing what company to invest in, and just playing with the motherfucking charts, bro, all day long. Like little ass, like it's like little kid game, bro. That's all you have to do, bro. But listen, the thing is, you have to know what you're doing, bro. You can't go in there trying to invest in some shit and then the stock or the value of that shit go down. Then you just lost all your goddamn money. And then not only that, bro, all this shit that I'm telling y'all, you need money in order to make money. You need money to make money. Okay? And find something you are good at. What are you good at? Are you good at editing videos, making intro videos for YouTube? Are you good at drawing? Are you good at music? What are you good at, bro? Ain't no way in here you should be stuck at working at a slave and 9 to 5 job, bro. Because one thing about me, I refuse to be talented and broke. Bro, motherfuckers be out here be having whole fucking gifts, diplomas. Man, they be having all types of degrees, but still working for somebody else, bro. Like, that shit don't make sense to me. It never did. And then they retire 50, 60 years, nigga. Looking for some retirement money every month, living off that shit. They old as hell. They can't even enjoy life. But I ain't even trying to preach to y'all. What I'm trying to get y'all to understand is, man, you have to want it. You have to be right with yourself. But listen, self-improvement, man, nigga. Like, it's all about knowing who you are. What do you have to offer to this world? You give the world what they want, and then the world will give you what you want. That's how it works, my nigga. I found that shit out. You help the world will help you. And that's simple. That's facts. Because we all have talents, bro. You gotta discover what you good at and then make money off that shit. Once you do that, you will never work a day in your fucking life. You know, yes, I got a 9-to-5 job right now, but like that shit temporary. I use that to invest in my shit, bro. Invest in my own shit. I'm not gonna be stuck in no 9-to-5 job. You know, that's my mentality. I'm not getting too comfortable. When I get off, I get straight to my goals. I get on this motherfucker and I preach to y'all, or I'm doing some other shit. I'm always got something outside of my main income. That's your mindset. That's how you have to start thinking, bro. It's the time. What are you using your time for? Is you coming home smoking, drinking, going out, hanging out with your friends, wasting time, coming home watching Netflix, playing the game? What are you doing, bro? We have the same amount of time as billionaires, Bill Gates, and we have the same amount of time. They just use that shit effortlessly, nigga. They use that shit in their discipline. Immortal Soul 111, and I'm signing out, man.